All right, so a little explanation of how this works. If you're on our website right now and you are looking at the service page, we don't have these in order to send them to you already made. We'd like to have them. We're working with a manufacturer to get this done. It's taking much longer than we would like it to take, but in the meantime, we are accepting your cores. So you would cut your line. This is actually a customer's line who cut their line at this point right here. So this is installed. It looks something like this when it's on the vehicle. This plugs into the valve block, the valve block being here where my hands are, and then this line runs down. This is a line that breaks, usually on the corner or in the middle, on the bladder somewhere, right? So this has been replaced. This is a 6,000 psi line. It's double the pressure that's needed. And then this is an 11,000 psi, so it's almost triple what you need for this system. But that ensures that you're not going to have any leaks. Okay, so this customer cut his a little short. This straight turn here after the 90-degree bend is about 5 inches, maybe 5 to 6 inches long. So you want to cut that in the center just to make sure you're leaving enough room to get into the coupler on both ends. See, he left only just a little over an inch, which is enough because all we need is an inch to go in here. But if he cut it any shorter, we would not have been able to use this pipe and he would have had to buy another one. It's more expensive that way. So make sure you cut your line. If this is 5 inches long after this 90-degree turn, you'll see on your vehicle that it's about 5 inches long. Cut it in the middle of that 5 inches so you have at least 1 inch of straight pipe on each side, and you'll have plenty of room if you cut it in the middle, okay? So yeah, you send us yours. We send it to our manufacturer. They replace this bladder, and then we couple it with this coupler. We're going to put this coupler on one side for you. You put it on the other side of your vehicle. You do have to remove about 1 inch of paint because this coupler is a very tight fit. So go ahead and remove an inch of paint on your side and make sure there's no flare where you cut it, because the coupler will not fit if you've got a flare. There's a small flare on here, so I'm going to grind this down a bit with an angle grinder. And then any debris that you get into your side of the line, get them out of there. Take a Q-tip, put a little bit of hydraulic fluid on your Q-tip, and grab whatever pieces of metal that are in there. Okay, make sure it's nice and clean. So you make the purchase on the website and send the core to the address in Fullerton. Okay, that address is listed in the description of this listing. So look for that address on our webpage. If you don't find it, give us a call. If you want to make sure, give us a call, send us a text message, send us a message on our website. However you need to get a hold of us and get the right address and send this to that address, and we will get it fixed up for you. It usually takes about a week to get it back. So if you send it out, shipping takes 2 to 3 days each way, and the manufacturing takes about 2 days as well. So you're looking at 7 to 8 days to get this back, okay? If you have any questions, give us a call. 818-510-3375. Thanks for watching, guys.